Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a menu turn completely white in Windows 10 and in 11 in the browser of Edge. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. First of all, open a Microsoft Edge. After opening that, click on these three dots. Go to the settings of your browser, and after doing this tab, go to your system and preferences. After that, use the hardware accelerator when available, turn off it and relaunch it. After doing this step, if you are facing a problem, menu options turn completely white. Now after choosing this option, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.